It's Sears 3-Day Salute to Great Values, with exciting values like this versatile Kenmore microwave oven with touch controls, just $149.99.
3 days only.
Or this 19-inch solid-state color TV, now at just $188.
3 days only.
Or this Kenmore upright vacuum with powerful beater brush, an outstanding value, just $54.
3 days only.
During Sears store-wide Salute to Great Values.
Sears, more for your life.
Sale ends Tuesday.
At Sears.
Alright everyone, today we are gonna do a Sears in Kennesaw. So today it's May 8th and the time right now is 11:44 a.m. Yeah, I know it's a school day, but I got picked up early thanks to my mom. So that is where the original Sears logo used to be. And whoa, look at this. This might be the original facade. Like the wood. Holy crap. Sadly, the doors are boarded up. It's the highest I could get. That was the highest I could get. I said, wow, this is vintage. And I heard this Sears was gonna be transformed into a farmer's market, so the facade might stay. You could see remnants of its current entrance before it closed in 2020. So I think this was the last Sears in Georgia. So there are no more Sears in Georgia, unfortunately. But there's still currently 5 Sears in the world. Whoa. Pretty unique. Alright. I'm gonna take a whole picture of the entrance. As far as I can tell, this is vintage. So, see you on the other side. Alright, we're on the other side now. And there's the current entrance. There are 2 current entrances. One over there and one here. Unfortunately, it's boarded up, but if you can look closely, you can see the original you can see the exit and one of the lights. Hold on. Alright. I don't want to get a splinter. Alright. This is one of the current entrances that are still around. And the original wood facade is probably still there, although it's covered up, unfortunately. So, I believe this might stay during the farmer's market refresh. There's a lock for no good reason. Huh? You see, these are the poles. They're all metal. Private property, no parking. Violators will be towed away at the vehicle owner's expense. I guess you're on the other side again. But wait. I don't know why it's painted that way, but Is that the original paint when it first opened? Or it was just, I don't know. I believe it used to be that paint when it first opened in 1986. But anyways, let's get into the other side. Alright, we're in the other side now. As far as we could tell, it used to be an auto center because here, look at this. See? The Sears Auto Center service parking only. As far as we can tell, this used to be the auto center for the Sears store. And town center at Cobb. Now, I want to show you something really interesting, is that there is a mark of the Sears logo. That's right, it's still there. That's an interesting remnant. I wish this Sears was still around. And whoa, that door is buttered up, and it says Sears early bird drop-off service and melt ice. I think this used to be the garage where they would possibly fix your car. And it's probably the window they used to have when it was still around. This one's the most clearest of all. Sears Auto Center service parking only. There's the tollway sign, and one of them, which is the most perfect condition of all. Interesting. Alright, we're now on this side now. That door is boarded up. And that window is shattered. And that garage door is closed. Oh, I forgot to mention. There's a crack. Alright. But anyways, on to the next side. Alright everyone, we're on the final side of the Sears. So, I filmed this place back in December, but I never really posted it because I thought it was outdated. Alright. Whoa, it's gutted. Holy shenanigans. Huh? As far as I can tell, the floor is gutted. And the lights up the ceiling are ripped off. There are a few chairs left behind. Here's one of the modern facades. And there's a window there. I think that was one of their windows. The Sears logo used to be right there because of those marks. It's very impossible to see the old Sears logo. Alright, there's the merchandise pickup. And it's still intact, pretty great condition. Huh? The paper's ripped off. Wait. It's all gutted. I don't know if you could see it or not, but there's the fire alarm logo and it's completely gutted as far as I could tell. And if you hear closely enough, you can still hear its alarm. Merchandise pickup, it's in really great condition, but it will be gone soon. That's really unfortunate. Former lens crafters. Here's the assassin of the month. And there's the Sears logo. It's tape. It's covered up by what seems to be tape. There's the Sears logo. Reserved Sears. Very perfect condition. No damages at all. This is the perfect one in my video. It's in really great condition as far as I can tell. No trucks, low clearance. You know what? I'm hugging this Sears so I can remember it forever. Alright, that was enough memories for the Sears. They're all safe in my brain. Now, here's a bonus. And this is where the original playground used to be. That was a fun addition. But I don't know if it's a thing anymore. Or I believe it's still a thing. Alright, we're in the mall now. And that is where the Sears used to be. It's no more. They took it off the map. It's no more. And if you think the entrance is not blocked off, but guess what? Take a look and see. It's blocked off. I smell some pretzels down there. Hey, is that Santa Fe train? There it is. The former Sears. That's right. It's now blocked off. Hold on, let me take a listen. I can hear the alarm. And I don't know if you guys can hear or not. The alarm is officially going off in the Sears. And that must be the door. I don't know why they put it there. And there's the gray part where the entrance used to be. So, in fact, the entrance used to be right here. Along with the Sears sign and all of that. My mom used to go there. She thought that it was the perfect store for her to go because they have cute clothes that can fit me. Which they no longer do because I outgrew them and we had to get rid of it. And we have to get rid of them. Well, I guess that was it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.